Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer and today I've got this JVC 5-disc CD player and changer to show you. The model number is XL-F108BK. But before we get into it, did you know that the first CD player was released in Japan and they didn't release it to the US until months later? But let's go ahead and talk about this. On the rear panel, you have your power cord, because the power cord is detachable. And then you have your audio output, and then CompuLink 1 Synchro. To connect it, you'll just connect your power cable, and then your audio cables. And you can connect this to just about any speaker, but I would recommend using an amplifier along with speakers similar to these. So we'll go ahead and insert a CD for playback. And on the front panel, you have your power button, phones level to adjust the output for the headphones because you can connect headphones to it. You have your disc select buttons right here. Skip backwards, skip forwards, a disc skip button, your stop button, play pause button, open and close button, and then right here you have call, memory, play mode, and repeat. And then with the play mode button, after you hit stop, you can switch between program play, random play, and continuous play. And then with the repeat button, you can make it so it shuffles or plays on continue repeatedly and non-stop. And then something else that you may consider nice about this device, maybe not, it doesn't use a remote, so you don't need a remote to operate this thing at all. And even if you wanted to, you wouldn't be able to. There's no remote sensor on it. That's pretty much all there is for this 5-disc JVC CD player and changer. It's very basic, not much to it. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check out our online store.